How to fix Gmail can't open on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail can't open on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Gmail. Click on it and click force stop and then go to storage, click clear cache. Now all you need to do just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. It's easy, but if that doesn't fix your problem, now go back here to settings, apps, and then apps again and Gmail, and now go to storage. But now don't click clear cache, we need to clear data. So click clear data and then click OK. But after that you will need to log in again, and that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.